Only on Fox Carolina News, a suspect in a deadly shooting of a Spartanburg man was in court today.
The hearing revealed new details about what led up to the arrest of 4 people. Fox Carolina's Brooklyn Cromer has an update.
Jamil Bishop is one of 4 murder suspects in the deadly shooting. Today we learned more about what led up to the shots being fired and how multiple minors ended up at the scene. The deadly shooting happened back in May. The victim, Danielle Tucker, and the defendant, Bishop, knew each other. They lived on the same street. In court, the state said Tucker went over to Bishop's house earlier in the day. Bishop wasn't there, but his wife was. His wife called him at work and said Tucker made comments that upset her. Bishop left work, and when he got home, Tucker had already left and gone back to his house a few doors down. The state said Bishop and his brother, Charles Bishop, picked up Jamil's stepson and 3 other minors. The group showed up at Tucker's house. Bishop banged on his door, and Tucker eventually came out. The argument escalated and gunshots were fired. The state says they believe a 15-year-old was the one who killed Tucker. Officers say everyone fled the scene except for Bishop. Jamil Bishop, Charles Bishop, Jaquan Brown, and the 15-year-old defendant are charged with murder. Bishop's attorney argued that this is a case of self-defense. The minor thought Tucker was going to shoot them.
They were not in his driveway. They were not in his front lawn. They were leaving. They were getting in the car and going. And unfortunately, Mr. Tucker said, who's going to get it next? Banged the gun on the car, pointed it at Mr.
The state said Tucker armed himself with a gun he owned legally, but there was no indication he threatened anyone in the group. Tucker's family spoke in court.
I'm not going to tell you I'm not angry, because I am. But I'm a child of God also, and I know what he says about anger. I know what he says about forgiveness. But I also know what he says about consequences for the decisions you make.
The state said the shooting has created a lot of volatility in the community, and they're worried tensions could escalate if Bishop was released. The state said they strongly opposed bond, mainly for the protection of the community. The judge agreed. Bishop will remain behind bars without bond. Brooklyn Cromer, Fox Carolina News.